Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to Generation Unravel. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord disconnecting and reconnecting problem. This is mainly a network issue or a server issue, so let's fix that. First things first, we head onto Discord and go to server settings. If you're an admin to the Discord server, go ahead and join a voice channel and go to edit channel. Here in the edit channel, we scroll all the way down to region override and change it to the region closest to where majority of you and your friends are closest. So for example, you're in China, change the region to Japan or Hong Kong. Next, we scroll back up to bitrate and make it lower. By making it lower, you can make it less straining on people with poor connections. After that, we go to our Discord user settings, click on voice and video, scroll all the way down, and make sure to change our audio subsystem to legacy. Click on OK. After that, we head onto our desktop, and then we're going to change some system settings. First, we're going to go to our start menu and type in CMD. And then make sure to run as administrator. After that, we're going to type in ipconfig//flushdns and then press enter. After that, we're going to close that. And then after the CMD, we're going to go to our settings, go to our network and internet, go to VPN, and make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Next is we're going to go to drivereasy.com and then click on free trial. It will then download this app, install the app, and then after going through the download and installation process, open up the app and click on scan now. After the scanning process, you'll see all your outdated drivers here, and what you have to do is update all of them right here, or update them one by one by clicking here. After updating all your drivers, we can close this and go to our start menu and search for control panel. Open control panel and then click on view network status and tasks. Go to change adapter settings, right click on the network you're currently using, click on properties, find IPv4, click on properties, and then we swap obtain server DNS address automatically to use following DNS server addresses, and then change this to 8888 and then 8844 and then click on OK. After that, we'll change something in our Windows firewall. To do that, we go to our start menu, search Windows Firewall, and then click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. We click on change settings and then find our Discord here. If you don't find our Discord here, we click on allow another app. We go to where our Discord is stored at. You right click the icon and then click on open file location. After doing that, we just copy everything up here and then click on browse and then paste it. Press on enter, click update, and then click open. Click add, and then Discord should be here. Click both of those. Make sure private and public is checked, and then click OK. By following all of these steps, your problem should be gone. And that's all for this video. If you like the video, make sure to press that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.